Let's go.
TV, this is Swag Zone, and today is the Senior 6 Jinja SS Prom Party. Today, Jinja schools, you're going to ask for water. You're seeing the decoration. You're seeing everything intact. I'm here with them. Don't mind about my dressing code. I mean, my sneakers, because, of course, I got an injury from here last time, but I have you sorted, guys. Today, we are having Senior 6. It's the first time, my first time for the years I've been on Jinja SS Prom Parties to see such decoration. I don't know which, this year 2024 came with what, but today, they're going to make the record. If you know your school is in Jinja, you have to make sure you satisfy me to this kind of level. You guys, you see the glam here. I'm just waiting for the bagole or the prom people to see if they fit in the decoration. Keep on Swag Zone. Keep on with me, your girl, Wizard Kate. You can see I'm also ready for the red carpet. This is the glamour. All the dates will come here and show us if this beautiful decoration is worthy. I don't know what is this called. I don't know what it is. This is so massive. I would like to appreciate the administration of Jinja SS. This time round, I'm satisfied. Let me hope I will not be disappointed. It's the day, it's the day, it's the day, it's the day. We're going. That has been the outside part, and we have the inside part of the Jinja SS Senior 6 Prom Party. You see the beautiful colors they combine. You see the decoration. I feel like I'm just satisfied with this. This is the inside part. I'm waiting for the dates to come, for the real people to come, for the candidates to come. Can you excuse me? So this is where the prom queen and the prom king will sit. Okay. You're saying this? It's called the Mighty School Jinja SS. Let's just watch and see how today the day is going to be put down. Thank you so much. Baby girl.
I'm fine.
The way you have slayed the red carpet, I was like, yo. What's your name?
My name is Brinja Brevan.
Okay, what's your name?
Brinja Brevan.
Brevan, what's your name?
Zion Flexer.
I'm so smart. How long did you plan for it?
A month.
A month?
Yeah.
How much are you putting on all together?
Like 2.
Don't name, bro.
Like 2 months.
2 months. And what about you?
It's more than your
It's more than 2 months. I've given you. My favorite boyfriend.
You know, we're all here, we all say it, and we are at the Jinja SS. This is the Mighty School, and then this is the S6 Prom Party 2024. We're here, of course, Swag Zone, Baba TV, and we are grinding and grooving. Of course, we are meeting and greeting, of course. The guys are dope, the guys are lit. I'm seeing the YGs, I'm seeing the tuxedos, I'm seeing the dresses. Man, my baby is beautiful too. Look at her. Give me your worth. First, check me your worth. Check me your worth. Okay, how much is this?
My dress, I don't know the price. I just order online.
You mean you order online? How much is the hair?
My hair, it's a human wig. I ordered online still.
Okay, how much is the shoe?
Oh, my shoe! see the red carpet. My shoe is 400. It's a deal box shoe.
400.
Yeah, I bought it with my hands.
Sichikubo online.
Jukabere. Jukabere.
But ladies and gentlemen, the way I told you, we are so thrilled and we're having the best in the game. So them call me Finance here, and then I'm having the one and only. You know, and then Swag Zone, baby. So we are grooving, we are grinding.
Thank you. Your makeup is so simple and you're so pretty.
Okay.
Yes, big man. Yes, big man.
Yes, hello.
Yes, big man.
Yes, hello.
What's your name?
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Chantal.
Chantel. What's your name, big boy?
Gerald.
You have money. You look money.
Yeah.
Some paper.
I got none right now, but just not got money.
You got the money. You're so smart, boy.
Thank you.
Why did you mix colors?
I felt to be more fashionable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking like this color is unique.
Yeah.
How much is this, Mr. Money?
Let me say it was a fair price.
Fair price. What's fair? What's fair? What's fair?
Yeah.
What's fair?
Yeah. It was just fair, honestly.
That's fair. Eh? Like
In the middle.
the middle there.
Yeah.
What's in the middle? I know you're so smart. Why blue?
Fine.
What's your name?
Yes.
Just you're so smart.
Yeah.
I love your skin color.
Thank you.
It has blended with your skin suit.
Yeah. Thank
Why
you.
bench?
It's my favorite.
Your red color. Are you a boy?
Yeah, it's mine.
So you do also sciences.
I am a sciencer.
Yes, science. And you're just like this. Ah, ulimolu atagwe. But how do you feel about? Muina wana watukula ko Jinja SS mwe. What's your name?
My name is Nana.
So come go evidently ngamanyi vibe eri manyi. Nana.
Yeah.
You're looking so smart.
Thank you.
You're looking so smart.
Thank you so much.
How long did you plan to dress up like this?
Like for one week.
1 week. Go to planning. Hey, Mr. Gentleman, go nyigi. That's the date. Don't nyigira.
No, I'm just happy.
Just happy. That's how you be happy.
Yeah,
You're happy.
I'm happy.
Very, very happy.
Happiest.
Happiest.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Mugisha.
Why this suit?
Huh? One name.
Welcome to Baba Swag Zone, and I'm your boy Fine MC over here. Dude, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Man, I love your outfit. Just give me, how much is this only?
$200.
To $100.
Yeah.
Can you get me in its details?
740,000 Uganda shillings.
You had that right. You had that right. How much have you been planning on this?
Like in the price,
No. For how long have you been planning for this?
it was just 2 weeks.
Only 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Are you manning up on her dress, or she's having a fashion house?
Yeah, we just got a fashion designer.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mind telling us the price?
Yeah, the same $200 too.
Man, you got a nice choice, man. I believe in that, right? So how are you, lady?
I'm good. How
Man, I love your makeup. I love your lips. Smile for me. I wish I could drink her smile. What's your beautiful name?
Helly.
And why are you having him as the party date?
It just looks good.
It looks good. So you love things that look good.
Yeah.
That's why you look good. Just give me a 360, only you. Just give me a 360, only you. Turn around for me.
It's called Swag Zone here on Baba TV, the Senior 6 Prom Party. And of course, I'm having a definition of swag. Definition of swag.
This is real swag. Yeah.
What's the name today?
My name is Kash.
Cash today.
Yeah, I'm the drip lord of this school.
You're the drip lord of this school. I can see today. You're there in the white today.
Yeah.
Neo chikubye.
Zench banga.
What you about the white today?
Number the weight. Weight is attractive.
Okay.
Weight gives people joy.
Okay.
Weight is something which makes attraction.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, weight is the definition of fashion.
Uh-huh.
I am the drip lord.
You're the drip lord.
Fashion is my thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the hair. I love your hair.
And the hair, yeah. This hair costed me $500.
$500.
$500.
Oh no. Echigato. Man.
Yo, you see now this shoe?
Uh-huh.
It was 30 pounds.
Okay.
30 pounds.
Okay.
Come on, move the camera.
Tulabenga to.
Ah, big up.
Big up, bro.
Big up.
Big up, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like mommy has brought daughter at the prom party. This is so lovely. I want to go back to school. My mom to mommy. Today you know. How are you, baby girl?
Good.
You're so pretty. How are you? You're the mommy.
No, I'm the sister.
One mother get your sister. See your mommy. How are you?
Sister. Sasha
Hi.
Hello.
How, big star? How do you feel about this?
I just feel I can't express myself.
Have you told her?
Exactly.
Oh, you're so pretty. You're looking so nice.
Thank you.
First, thank you. First, thank you. So,
Thank you, sis.
that's so sweet. That's so sweet. So, what do you expect tonight?
Just to be happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Not dead? Just having fun? How they have you?
I'm cool and
What's your name?
Abi Sharon.
I love your accent.
Thank you.
This is how you speak.
Yeah.
On a daily basis.
Yeah.
What's your name?
And of course, Prom made it down to there.
You're so pretty. I love your shoe, first of all. You see her shoe? Oh, if a girl is moving with this shoe, you're elite. You're elite. What's her name?
I just want to talk to these people here. Hey, bro.
Okay, the night school Jinja Aces, as you know. And the administration is always part of our Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
We are fine.
I
we are
just want to
fine.
appreciate you for being the best administrator I know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for keeping our big heads.
We are trying all this. Thank you for all that you are doing to the school.
It's my first time seeing such expensive decoration at school. What was special this year? Are they so good mannered?
Very good mannered.
Eh?
They are wonderful students.
Okay,
The kindness we have senior 6.
Okay.
They are good.
that's so good.
And even it will be reflected in their results. They'll perform very well.
Amen.
Amen.
So one word to them as senior 6 leavers.
Work hard, work hard, work hard. You will achieve. Success is through positive attitude and hard work.
Amen. No, not to me.
To you, continue being so fabulous and good, beautiful.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we also have the ladies in the building. Yeah. How are you, madam?
I'm okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my madam.
Good day.
On It's the first time meeting this one. You're looking so gorgeous.
Thank
You know,
you.
we have many rumors about teachers. What's your secret?
Just a peace of mind.
Which subject do you teach, madam?
Physics, math.
And you look this nice.
Oh, yes.
Things are changing.
Ginger says.
I know the made school. So this time around, you've put a lot of money in the candidates. What's special about them?
Because this is their only time, their only day in their life.
Okay.
Yeah.
One word for the candidates, madam.
Good luck.
Okay.
Let them enjoy themselves.
Okay.
This
Do you
is
know
their
dance,
time.
madam?
Oh, why not?
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to dance like
Uh-huh. Hey. Okay, thank you so much. Today. Hey, Bena. You can't stand like that. You can't stand. It's your day. It's your day. Anyway, it's Swag Zone, Jinja SS, Senior 6 Prom Party. How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Ah, this is your voice.
Yeah, it's
Badna, what's your name?
my name is Strela Savage.
Okay, how are you, baby? You look so nice. Thank you. I love your wig. Some hand clap for the wig. Oh, it's really so gorgeous. Thank you for keeping her. Oh, I'm wide. Yeah. What's your name?
Jemima.
You're smart.
Thank you.
You're smart. How much is your wig?
It's confidential.
Jemima Mangenda. I don't know. I get confidential.
It's
I love your jewelry. How much is the necklace?
My necklace. Everything is confidential.
Because
I didn't fuck on it.
She's a what?
She's around 2.5.
She's around 2.5.
Yeah.
I love your suit. I love your blazer. How much is it?
This one, can get it at 500.
500,000 shillings.
Yeah.
Why have you chosen her tonight?
She's beautiful.
She's beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Why him?
He's handsome.
Handsome.
Sweet.
Come out.
Yeah.
Your prom, your car. Tonight.
The best.
You've been seeing prom parties before you reached senior 6. How do you see your day? Is it special?
It's special, more than special.
What has made it different from other prom parties?
Because it's a bit different from the others.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Ataddemu essente.
Okay, all the best. Oh God. Why not? Oh God. Banange, bro.
Yo,
Chechiro man.
tewali kyama.
Olikiriya man.
Ndikiriya.
Akasente kayise konna man.
Okitegeera.
Bakwisani.
Bampita Edgar Vibes.
Edgar Vibes.
Yeah.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Very pretty.
Thank you
and
so
you're
much.
so smart.
Thank you so
What's
much.
your name?
Benta.
Why him?
My bestie.
Atula bestimba manyi. You're so smart. Which style is this? Omami ayambadde ki bannange. What's this?
And it was just creativity, you know?
Uh-huh.
It was basically my mom who dressed me like this.
Your mom.
Plus my bro.
Uh-huh.
Runs fashions, UG.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Nina kuziba mami sibategeera.
Mummy, yeah, because.
Yabikolanga.
Yeah.
So you don't know, it's just a combination of creativity.
Yeah, it's just a combination of
How
creativity.
much is it all together? How much do you think you're putting on?
I think I'm putting on $1,350.
$1,350. Michael, I'm working, I'm calculating. My must not summit abulungi na eri zonzi base.
Bwe tubeeranga mu kadde nga buna.
Mukadde nga buno bwa Uganda.
Yeah.
Ate omukyalo wambazanga mmeka?
Chala. Saabitegedde.
Saabitegedde oyonnyoleko. Oyambadde mmeka?
500,000.
I love your truth. Big up to you. I love you. Good so much. You're so pretty, you're so intelligent.
Thank you so much.
You love black, is it your favorite color?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. What do you expect tonight?
A lot.
A lot. Yeah. All the best. Jinja is going to ask for water today. This is what we call money. It's my first time witnessing this in Jinja schools. As you know, this is what we call money in school. They have been escorted by the police of Uganda. I want to see who is inside there. You're seeing the cars. I can't even mention their names because I don't know them, but this is it. Jinja SS 2024 Senior 6 Prom Party. They have done it. As you're seeing, this is the police car, the lead car. It's the lead car, Uganda police of Uganda. Oh God! And as you know, this is the convoy. These are the in the cars. You know they say who laughs last best. They have come in the convoy. I don't know who's inside, but yo. Is it okay to say hi? Is it okay? Now I've come at the car before they get out. Oh, Madam Angel, Madam Princess, how are you?
Good, and you?
I had to look for you because I'm like, what is this? Who has brought police at school?
Just
What's your name?
I'm pretty Sandy.
You speak so nicely.
Thank you.
How you speak on a daily basis?
That's it.
Like a princess Cinderella.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. I see a blonde kid here.
Yeah, we are.
Not denying.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Prom Dad.
Hello.
Why are you guys putting on blue?
That's our favorite color.
Your first color. Are you sisters, brothers, or friends?
We are
Relatives.
no, not even relatives, but we are. I can't even explain it.
An explanation. No explanation.
No explanation.
What do you expect tonight?
Oh, many.
How do you feel that we are waiting for you? We are eager to see you. We have been waiting since 1 p.m.
Just I'm feeling happiness.
Okay.
Just know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Gentleman, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
You're good?
I'm
You
good.
look expensive.
That's it.
You look money.
Look, money.
Thank you so much. Anyways, that is it. I don't know which kind of car is which kind of car is. It's a Land Cruiser, whatever it is. Anyway, it's what we call money. Jinja SS Senior 6 Prom Party. This is what we call a prom party. This is what we call a prom party. Okay. 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 Another car this side. I don't know which kind of car is this. Okay. Okay. Jinja SS Prom Party Senior 6. Okay. Okay. My God, I can't believe my eyes. Beauty, money, bougie, everything. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine.
Why are you guys all putting on blue? Is this a rich king statement?
It was our favorite color.
Mwana mogera mpola, mwana mogera sense. What's your name?
Mother.
Your mother. What's your name, gentleman?
I'm Arnold.
You don't look to be Ugandan.
I am.
You're not. No, you're not. It's not adding up.
It's just that I'm a blind kid.
Yeah, you're plant kid, yeah? Catch up, na gana wakuduka. So, how they call this kind of lessons?
It's a Ferrari.
Nange. Are you really a student of this school?
Of course.
Are you really a student of this school?
Yeah.
God. Why blue?
It's our favorite color.
Different color. Everyone is having blue in those cars.
We just love blue.
And you have a nice voice. I know why you're having a planned dread. I can see now. So you guys, why did you plan to come like this today? Can the gentleman speak for you? Because for you, I know you're a soft-spoken girl. Kakati mukolo. I don't know which country can I give you. You look like Somali, Ethiopian, yeah?
I'm a Ugandan.
You're Ugandan.
Yeah.
Kati, why did you decide to come like this today?
We just wanted to be unique. Yeah.
Okay, who made your costumes? Like custom made? Your costumes?
Actually, it is my sister who did that. Yeah.
Planned kids.
Personally.
You even a designer?
Yeah, a bit.
A bit, eh?
It's a family disease.
Oh. What do you expect tonight?
Nothing much, but just vibes.
Just vibes. All the best.
Yeah.
Okay. To learn how they call cars, I'm getting embarrassed here. I don't know how they call cars, yeah? About which case this one, yo, bro.
Yo,
You're looking lit.
that's my ways. Those are my ways.
Okay, you're a planned kid, I can see.
Not really bad.
You're beyond this school, I can see.
No, just being smart is my hobby. Dripping is my hobby.
Okay.
And when I'm not smart, I'm always sick. Being smart is part of me.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's me.
Okay.
Yeah, so dripping is part of me, and investing in smartness is my hobby. So thanks for the good interview.
It's just your free time thing.
Yeah.
No effort put.
No efforts put
No
here.
efforts needed.
I didn't incur any effort.
Why don't you have a date?
Nah, you know, single life is always better cause, yeah.
Heartbroken.
Not really,
Heartbroken
but,
there.
not really. I'm not heartbroken, but just I feel good when I'm always alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long did you plan this?
Not too big, just for something like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I love your calmness. Eh?
Thank you.
Zirabika. Zadala.
Sure.
Salero.
Sente tulina ennimiro y'essente waka.
Kazi je.
Yeah.
Sulawa.
Tugenda kuwungula by the way.
Yo, you already know Africa, what's up? They call me TRNG1. Goddess in the game, and of course, this
Program Swag Zone. I'm overwhelmed with what I've witnessed today at Jinja SS, and I'm still getting overwhelmed. I'm having the beautiful. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Me telling you you're pretty. Just know me, I'm picky.
Thank
What's your name?
Baby Venasha.
You smell nice.
Thank you.
Kiona bide chiwowo.
Aswa chera.
Achera vida. Ngoli weka baby girl.
Nae kugambe chi.
Date yaganye.
Yaganye.
Ngo chukovye. Only smart. I love your bag.
Thank you.
How much is your bag?
I really don't know.
You don't know. I love I love your honesty. Why black?
Because it's my favorite color.
You'd like this if I see you very well. You'd sound like this if I see you. Wow, that's so nice. Okay, you can pass. So, how do you feel about today?
Well, I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
I love your accent. This is how you speak on a daily basis?
Yeah, it's
Which combination do you do?
I'm offering dig.
Dig. Goringanze, Swekoya.
Aswa kwa saya.
I got a color combination chiku campus.
Nyaga soma low.
Low. Now so when I was cutting in
Jakuba kere.
Okay, how do you see your prom? Have you appreciated?
Well, I could say it's nice.
Okay. Okay.
That's all I could say about it, and we thank God that we have the prom.
Oh, the.
goddess in the game. Come on,
Let's go.